Embarking on a journey to become a professional developer with hands-on skills in AI, tools like GPT-4, Stable Diffusion, and GitHub Copilot is both exciting and rewarding. Here's a step-by-step practical curriculum designed to guide you from foundational coding concepts all the way to deploying advanced AI-powered applications. Each phase builds on the last, introducing mini projects and exercises that reinforce your skills and prepare you for real-world development challenges. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to deepen your expertise, this curriculum will provide a comprehensive roadmap you can follow like a structured course. Let's begin with the foundational skills and work our way up to advanced portfolio-worthy projects. The first phase is all about mastering core programming tools and environments. Python is the backbone of modern AI development, so you'll start by installing Python version 3.10 or higher, along with pip and virtualenv to help manage your project environments. Learning to use Git and GitHub is crucial for version control and collaboration, skills every professional developer relies on daily. As you get comfortable with the basics, you'll also become familiar with Linux or the command line interface, which will allow you to install packages, run scripts, and interact with your system more efficiently. Setting up and activating virtual environments will ensure your projects remain organized and dependencies don't conflict. Begin by installing Python on your system and verifying the installation via the command line. Once installed, use pip to install a package like requests and create a new virtual environment for your first project. Next, sign up for GitHub and set up your first repository. Initialize a local Git repository. Make your first commit and push it to GitHub. These steps lay the groundwork for all your future projects. It's time to write your first Python scripts. Start simple with a calculator that can perform basic arithmetic operations, a text parser that counts word frequencies in a file, or a script that fetches weather data from a public API. As you code, integrate GitHub Copilot into Visual Studio Code. This AI assistant will auto-complete code, suggest function implementations, and help you learn best practices as you go. For instance, write a docstring describing a function's purpose and see how Copilot fills in the implementation. With this foundation, move to the second phase, harnessing the power of GPT-4 via the OpenAI API. Begin by installing the OpenAI Python SDK. Familiarize yourself with making API requests using both the OpenAI library and the requests module. Learn the basics of prompt engineering, how to craft prompts that elicit clear, useful, and structured responses from large language models. Practice handling outputs in various formats such as plain text, JSON, and CSV. Start with a simple exercise. Write a script that sends a prompt to GPT-4, asking it to explain machine learning in 2 sentences. Parse the returned text and print it to the console. Once you're comfortable with the basics, build small applications such as a summarizer app that takes in a PDF or a web article and returns a concise summary using the GPT-4 API. Take it a step further and develop a chatbot that maintains conversation history, providing more natural and context-aware interactions. Another useful project is a script that converts plain text input into a structured JSON format, showcasing how GPT-4 can be used to automate data extraction and transformation tasks. The third phase introduces you to the world of AI-generated images using diffusion models like Stable Diffusion. Begin by installing the necessary libraries, including diffusers, transformers, accelerate, and safetensors. Depending on your hardware, set up GPU acceleration using Google Colab, your local machine, or a cloud provider. This step is essential for efficiently generating high-resolution images. Start experimenting by generating images from text prompts. For example, use the Stable Diffusion pipeline to create an image of a futuristic city skyline at sunset in a cyberpunk style. Save the generated image to your local system and adjust the prompt to see how different descriptions influence the output. Expand your skills by using the Python Imaging Library, PIL, to manipulate and save images. Turn your experiments into mini projects. Create an AI profile picture generator that takes user prompts and outputs unique stylized images. Build a simple web app using Flask or Streamlit that allows users to enter prompts and receive generated images in real time. For a more advanced challenge, fine-tune the Stable Diffusion model on a custom dataset to achieve a personalized style transfer. This will deepen your understanding of model customization and training. In the fourth phase, you'll learn to leverage GitHub Copilot as your AI-powered coding partner, not just for code completion, but for documentation, testing, and debugging. Practice writing only function docstrings and letting Copilot generate the implementation. Challenge yourself to write comprehensive docstrings that accurately describe the desired function behavior. Next, use Copilot to generate unit tests using PyTest, ensuring your code is robust and reliable. Experiment with Copilot's ability to refactor code, suggest optimizations, and help you debug errors. As a capstone exercise for this phase, build a small AI-powered coding assistant inside VS Code. Combine Copilot's code suggestion capabilities with the GPT-4 API to create a tool that can answer coding questions, suggest code snippets, and even generate documentation based on your codebase. This project will showcase your ability to integrate multiple AI tools in a developer workflow. The fifth and final phase is all about professional-level AI development and deployment. Learn how to containerize your applications using Docker, making them portable and easier to deploy across different platforms. Develop RESTful APIs with FastAPI, allowing your AI models to be accessed by other applications or users over the web. Explore LangChain, a framework that enables you to chain multiple GPT-4 prompts and workflows together, ideal for building more complex multi-step AI applications. Deepen your understanding of model fine-tuning and optimization, ensuring your solutions are both performant and scalable. Turn your accumulated knowledge into portfolio-ready projects. Build a ChatGPT clone using Streamlit, integrating the GPT-4 API, and maintaining conversation history for a natural chat experience. Develop an AI image studio where users can enter prompts, generate images with Stable Diffusion, and download their creations. For a truly ambitious project, create a multi-AI app that combines GPT-4 for text generation and Stable Diffusion for image creation, offering users a unified platform for AI creativity. Deploy your projects on cloud platforms like AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, or community-driven services like Hugging Face Spaces to make them accessible to the world. To ensure steady progress and mastery of each skill, follow a suggested weekly learning path. In the first 2 weeks, focus on Python fundamentals, GitHub workflows, and getting comfortable with Copilot. Weeks 3 and 4 should be dedicated to building GPT-4-powered applications, such as chatbots and summarizers. Weeks 5 and 6 are for experimenting with Stable Diffusion and building text-to-image applications. Weeks 7 and 8 introduce professional deployment techniques, Docker, FastAPI, and LangChain. In the final 2 weeks, consolidate your learning by creating portfolio projects and showcasing your code on GitHub. Throughout your journey, reinforce your knowledge with hands-on practice. Document your progress in a personal blog or GitHub README files. Participate in developer communities, contribute to open-source projects, and seek feedback on your code. Each mini-project and exercise is carefully designed to build your confidence, deepen your understanding, and prepare you for the challenges of professional AI development. As you complete each phase, you'll not only gain technical proficiency, but also develop the problem-solving mindset required to tackle complex, real-world projects. By the end of this curriculum, you'll have a strong portfolio of AI-powered applications, a deep understanding of modern development tools, and the confidence to pursue professional opportunities in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. Remember, the key to mastery is consistent practice and curiosity. Don't hesitate to experiment, explore different AI models and APIs, and refine your projects based on user feedback or new advancements in the field. The world of AI is vast and dynamic. By following this structured, hands-on curriculum, you're well on your way to becoming a skilled and sought-after AI developer. As you embark on this journey, embrace the challenges, celebrate your progress, and stay curious. The skills you develop here will open doors to innovative projects, collaborations, and career opportunities at the forefront of technology.